Hi friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Tanu Ganesh and you're watching my bin. Today I'll share with you a very simple and tested home remedy for cold, cough, chest infection or lung congestion in every age. Please make sure that you note down the ingredients and the proportion as both are very important. So the very first ingredient is half spoon of cinnamon powder, 1 spoon of long black pepper. Long black pepper is also called as mug or pipli, and cinnamon is also called as dal chini. Third ingredient is your green cardamom. So what you need is you just need 2 spoons of green cardamom powder, which is called as choti ilaichi. The fourth ingredient is your tabashir or vanchlochan. It is called as Banslochan as well because it is derived from the bamboos. So I have also given a link where you can order it online. You will require 4 spoons of Banslochan powder and 8 spoons of rock sugar or called as puja mishri or dhaga mishri. You have to powder all these ingredients finely and store them in an airtight bottle. So whenever you require, you can take it from half a spoon to 1 spoon, mix it with honey, and you take it. For kids, I would recommend half spoon is enough, and for elders, up to 1 spoon can be taken. So do ensure that you mix it with honey and take it. You will see that your cough and cold or your congestion or infection is simply gone. With it, what you can do is you can also start putting 2 to 3 drops of castor oil in your nose, in your nasals, so that will also help. So that is it. It was as simple as this. I hope you have liked the video. If you have liked the video, don't forget to give a thumbs up. Do share it with your relatives and friends. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel for my latest videos. I'm Tanu Ganesh signing off from my bin. Thank you.